In this video, I'm going to share with you how to become a full-time YouTuber in 12 months. And I want to talk about a little bit my journey, how I started creating a YouTube channel. So I really want to encourage you as well to start your journey. But so far, when I'm putting out videos, I can talk you about what I have tried so far. So my main goal have always been to have a total freedom. I just want to do whatever I feel I want to do and what I'm really passionate about. And when I was working in a normal job, my background is being a designer, and I have worked in different companies giving designer service. And the first step for me in that direction was for me to create my own business, and I started to give the service through my own business. So sometimes if we are watching other videos about successful people, then everything seems to be so effortless and easy, and almost like they have been lucky to get to this point. And this is why I want to share you my story, to inspire you and to have the understanding what it really means to get on the journey of this kind of success, right? And it can really take years and years before you actually succeed. So when I started my business, I just started it from my own profession, what I had studied for 5 years in university. And I think it's very, very good place where to start if you're thinking to start your own business or your own career, is just to do what you already know. If it's some kind of profession you already have or some kind of skill, then just use this to get the momentum of your business. And you can always then next to it try different kind of things, and that has been what I have been doing. So I did that several years. I did my designer job, and I gave different kind of services through my business. And at some point I knew that I really want to be on social media, because I had so many different examples where people really made success through social media, on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, in all platforms. You can find this kind of examples, and this is something maybe for you also to think about. What is something what you're really passionate about, or something what you have gone through yourself, what kind of area you want to inspire people, right? And I think for me it was really helping other people also to get their freedom and to get their success, that they don't need to work 9 to 5, but they can really thrive in life, and they can really do what they are meant to do in this life, right? And yeah, so I have created my business around helping other people into the business. So if you're interested how to really create your business and how to create social media business in general, because I think something what people don't understand is that people think that YouTube or social media business is just about creating content, but it's far from that. The content is just one small part of it. The content is just a marketing part of it. But what are your products? What are your services for the people? That is a question you also have to ask from yourself. And what is the big goal for your business? What is the big plan, right? So these are the things you have to think about. And that's why I also put together a course for people who really want to start their social media business, and they they want to not just be YouTubers, but they want to create a successful business around it. So if you're interested about it, then I put the link below for you to check it out. I really hope it was inspiring for you, and I hope to see you next time.